Yo, what's good? We back on the second channel with another reaction video. Man, if y'all ain't subscribed to my gaming channel, make sure y'all go hit the link in the description, go subscribe, go turn on the notification. But today we got top 5 most scariest thing caught on doorbell camera. Now I told y'all in my last video to try not to get scared and all to try not to laugh and all that stuff really don't. I mean, some of it be funny, but all of it don't be funny, and some of it be scared, some of it don't be scared. But man, come on, join the game, man. Hit the notification bell, man. Let's get right over here. We finna turn this channel up. Y'all let me know in the comment section what videos y'all want me to react to, and man, we gonna be dropping bangers, man. Y'all gotta let me know. But join the game, hit the notification bell, man. Let's get into the video. Let's see what we got. Nuke's top 5.
Top 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. A cry for help. This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
She's looking over there. I'm looking over there. I'm looking at her. Looking at
not coming from the Ring camera speaker. In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her. Now I boosted the audio on this clip and, well, just take a listen.
I'm trying to see what the lady did after that. She just walked in the house like nothing happened. She's like, oh, somebody over there? Let me go back in the house.
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
Oh, okay.
Anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just courageously hearing something.
So she called the police. I thought she was just gonna stand there.
I can hear somebody saying something like that.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there. So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help? Let me know what you think down in the comments.
I ain't letting you know nothing.
The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can. But this next video didn't take place on Halloween.
This right here might be scary.
In the middle of a sweltering summer
This right
day
here
in
creepy.
August in San Antonio, Texas.
All right, let's see what we got. Man, get that man out of here, man. Come on now.
Trick or treat.
That man look like he up to no good.
Trick or treat. Smell my feet.
Now you can tell he weird. Dude walk up to the door, said trick or treat 50 times. Then he not dressed up. He just threw a mask on. It don't even look like he had nothing to. It's the daytime. I'm tripping.
Trick or treat.
It's the daytime.
Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And
oh, so that's what y'all do in San Antonio? Y'all trick or treat in the daytime?
Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own. Surprise visit. On a warm, sunny day in May, General Haywood was visiting a friend's home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip. But I'll explain that later.
I was about to say, for the kid itself.
Hey,
Ah, Kurt, take me to
the hospital. Take her to the hospital.
What? He said take me to... By a snake? I thought somebody threw something.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light. When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right
Oh,
eye.
I ain't even see that.
Luckily, the snake is not venomous, and the bite above his eye isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of Band-Aids and some light antibiotics. And I have
Band-Aids?
to admit, the first time I watched this video, I
thought he
it
walked
was
in the door and
horrific.
somebody...
And the
I
second
thought somebody
time,
poked him or...
I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
He instantly said, take me to the hospital. He instantly said it. Boy, I did not know it was no snake the first clip I seen it.
YouTube user
Let's see
Lexus
this ghost
JD
caught on his
claims that he
doorbell.
caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion. When he first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the wind. But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this. It looks almost as if
See me?
some shapeless
I wouldn't
white
have
face
looked
is
at
pressed to
nothing.
the window for a closer
Nothing.
look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off. And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light? In another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance
Nah, I'll be out of
Gaming
there. I'm
posted
gone.
a video saying that he
I'm
thought his
gone.
Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
Whatever that little thing that when the pastor called. Oh, no, let me wait. Oh, they right there. That looked like somebody, but you know a camera not gonna really show. You know a camera not gonna hold up. No, I'm out of there. As soon as I seen I'm going to get the bags, I'm packing everything, I'm going, moving. They can have the house, we'll sell it to them, they can rent it, we out of there.
Seems to walk out of the darkness
Dressed all
from
in white.
somewhere near the house.
But I'm
And
saying,
then
it could have been a
she
person,
just
but
sort of walks off into the dark. Vengeance
That's what I'm
Gaming,
saying,
who,
she
by the
walked
way,
off
has
and didn't
never
see her no
posted
more.
another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be
I wouldn't either.
the lady in white. But it could also simply just be a prank. You decide.
That's what I'm
night.
thinking. That could have been a person,
One night, an
because the
older
camera
woman
not
named
gonna really
Kathleen hears
like
something outside her
show it.
Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about
The
opening
camera
the
showing
door to
far
a
away. It ain't.
stranger,
They don't
she
got no
looks
HD
outside
that
and
got an
sees someone
HD
in a
zoom.
car parked just across the street from her house. She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without
she was
the
on the
lights on,
news.
and then
A
went
news.
flying up
She
the
was on
other
the
street.
news with
And
this.
Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera.
So it's Ring.
Blood runs
So
cold.
Ring doorbell. That's a doorbell. Cause I know this Ring.com. Yeah. This the dude in the car. Oh no, we would have had to go get the thing. We would have had to go get the thing, but she an old woman, so
It looks like a scene right
she
out of a Purge
she gonna
movie,
panic.
and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle, and he's got something heavy in his pocket.
He got a
Kathleen
mask on.
contacted the
I ain't.
police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found. It's not all bad. After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things.
Oh, so
and the
Ring
absolute
is a doorbell
worst of
and
human
got
nature.
camera stuff.
So I wanted to include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity. Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera. The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered
I was
her
about to
wallet
say.
right to her door.
I was about to
Tried
say,
put it in her mailbox, but it
she
won't
dropped the
fit,
purse.
so he hides it safely under the mat. Katie says that all of her credit cards.
Hey, we
were
need more
there
people
and
like that.
not
We
even a
need more
single
people like that. But I was about to say, how you knew she stayed, but I
Thanks for
forgot her
watching. If
ID
you'd
and
like to
everything.
submit
You
or
know,
suggest a video, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com.
we need more people
Please
like that.
follow me on Twitter at
See,
nukestop5 for
nah, if it
videos
was an
of
ordinary
other things.
one of those people,
Something.
she wasn't saying that person no more. They probably would have took the ID. They would have took the ID, driver's license.